Today I will show you how to draw a head using Loomis method for this reference. So let's begin. I'll first draw a circle. Then I will divide it vertically to see to placement for in which direction the head is looking. Now I'll draw the horizontal line that will define the head is tilted upwards or downwards. Similarly, find the nose line, chin line and the hairline. Probably I will take this as my fixed measurement, that is from chin to nose, and I'll place it for the eyebrows and likewise for the hairline, whereas the hairline is slightly smaller. Once that has been done, established, taking that same measurement, I will also measure horizontally. Now again I can see that the jawline is somewhere here, so let's find the side plane, placement of the jawline and the earpiece. So probably the jawline is somewhere around here. If I extend that line, so I can find this line which is for the ear and the side plane. I'll extend these lines roughly around here and let me draw this oval which represents the side plane of the head. Now let's join all these points to get the outer boundary of the head, or maybe let's call it as a head shape. Tentative placement for the cheeks. Now also let me just quickly draw the hairline, the hair part. Basic hair drawing is complete. Now I'll start putting individual features, beginning with eyes. Let me just first find the placement for the eyebrows. Similarly, I'll draw a parallel line for the bottom eyelids. Now at this particular point, it's important to pause, step back and check for proportions and make the necessary changes. From left to right and right to left. Tentative placement for the tear ducts. Now I'll draw the nose, the top plane, side plane and bottom plane. Now I'll move forward and make a placement for the mouth. Draw some parallel lines to make sure they align properly. Bottom lip, the upper lip, somewhere around here, somewhere around the nose part. Now I shall start refining the features. Drop shadow or a cast shadow by the bottom lip or the lower lip and the chin. So that was a quick demonstration of how to draw a head using Loomis method. So I shall add some shadow shapes and do a high level rendering. So that's a quick demo of how to draw a head using Loomis method. I hope you liked it. My name is Sanjog. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in the next one.